Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Now guys, as usual, let's take a look at the gold market. So today guys, we have more signs that indeed something is not quite normal with the bearish setup on the daily chart, on the intraday charts, because market just can't break the 12.8 important level. And this behavior looks absolutely irrational for the pattern for the scenario that we have on intraday chart. It makes us think that right now we could think about the possible upward breakout, because it's a very clear sign that in the market doesn't show the action that it should show in relation to the pattern that has been formed. It means that market probably will show the opposite action. And here, indeed, on the daily chart, take a look, market's taking the shape of some kind of the pennant patterns forming, and that is bullish continuation pattern. Also guys, here as you can see, the crabber initially has been formed in the beginning of the week, is still valid, has not been erased, and actually all price action of the recent 3 sessions stands inside the range of this candle. Also guys, it's my personal opinion, I think that Yellen in the press conference on Friday will try to prepare investors to the rebalancing of the expectations on the rate increase. I think that Fed will step out from the some kind of the promise that will rise rate in December to the some 50-50 possible scenario. Right now, the investors pricing approximately the 40% rate increase in December, and I think that is fair expectation. So this probably will be some kind of the dovish comments for United States dollar, and that's why maybe we see right now some sort of the bullish pattern starts to form, and the market really could just jump up and take it out of this stuff. So I do not exclude the chance that on Friday evening market could trying to retest the 13 even resistance or even break it. So we will see. But right now, definitely we should not think about going short, as the price action here and an intraday charts, as you will see, is not quite reliable, so it stands not quite in a row with the patterns that have been formed previously. On the 4-hour time frame chart, you can see approximately the same action. So market has reached the support of the channel, but can't show the breakout. So mostly stands the same. Yes, here we could get some kind of the butterfly. Theoretically, it is possible. This market could form here this pattern, and still it is possible, but in relation to the hand shoulders, the price action that we see right now, it's a bit not normal. So recall our hand shoulders patterns on the hourly chart. Here what we have. Alright, so market has reached the neckline, but yesterday Sunday has started to move higher. So that's not really good behavior for the reversal pattern. And in general, that is too long-standing in the area of the right shoulder for the hand shoulders is signs of weakness. Besides, as yesterday we saw this some kind of the triangle pattern has been formed, but right now market stands even above it. So that being said, theoretically, it is still possible that, of course, could happen some kind of the butterfly drop here, but probably we need to change the shape a bit in this pattern right now. So it probably should be some kind of this action. Right? So this will be more correct. So this butterfly on the daily chart is really possible. And the same as 100% target of this A, B, C, D pattern. But overall price action that we see is not really typical for reversal bearish reversal pattern, and it could be some kind of the signs of weakness on the market. That's indeed market could show the upward unexpected upward breakout, upward action. So that's what we'll see right now on gold market. So if you would like to go long, it's a really will be difficult decision where it's better to do this. Well, conservative approach will be, of course, waiting for this butterfly to be completed and trying to go long here. But I don't know how situation will change and how it will turn on the volatility that we will get today and tomorrow. It will be probably a lot of nervousness on the market, and could be some even unreasonable spikes or some action. It's really could change the situation. That's why, well, maybe it makes sense to rely on the daily grabber. In this case, you could place stop slightly below these lows, and indeed, shoulders will start to work. The bullish stop will fail. So that will provide at least minimal risk for position, something of that sort. So currently, it's difficult to find a clear area where it will be safe to take the long position. Speaking on the short position, well, that's a bit more simpler because we have some kind of the hand shoulder pattern here, and invalidation point will be above the head or at least above the right shoulder. So the market will show signs of thrust. The market will break this 1293 area to the upside. This probably will tell us that hand shoulders is done. So that's a bit more simple. But in general, overall action that we see here, it's a bit nervous. And my suspicion is, I suppose, that chance on upward action here looks more probable. That's just my personal view, because overall action, as I see here, it's not really good for bearish scenario, not really typical for that. So let's see how it will turn, because guys, actually the bearish action is mostly driven by the fear. And fear is more is stronger than the hope. That's why the downward actions already are always faster than actions to the upside. But here, as you can see, although we have the bearish setup, the price action shows mostly sideways consolidation. That suggests that probably upward action is more probable.